Now we are here to really get down and see what's going on with my hair. We're in week number 5, so I will be relaxing in about another 3 weeks, which makes 8 weeks. Hey guys, welcome back. I want to say what's up to all the subbies and what's up to all the newbies. That's everybody checking me out, maybe for the very first time, maybe second or third. It doesn't even matter. Come on in here. Come on in. Sit down and relax and come on in. Today we're a little off schedule, but it's okay. Today we are going to do a review. We're going to do a review. You know how I do. You know, I check in with my hair, and we're a little late. We're about a week off, but that's okay because I like to check in on my hair every 4 weeks. Okay. So that's 4 and 8, but this is actually, we're about a week late, but that's okay. We're still going to check in, make sure everything is going well. I like to check in with my hair for those who are not initiated every 4 weeks, so I can stay on top of anything that may go awry, any type of dryness. I just like to check in, okay? It's good to check in with your hair to make sure that everything that you are doing thus far is working for you. And instead of us playing catch up, okay, I like to do preventative. I like to stay on top of things. So that is not to be overly concerned with our hair, but it's just, again, to check in and be aware of what the hair needs and wants so that we are not playing triage later on, okay? So with that being said, first we'll do the updates, and yeah, I don't have any real updates as far as any products that I've been using. Everything's been working well. You know that I upgraded to a ceramic blow iron. There's no blow iron. What am I talking about? You know that I upgraded to a ceramic blow dryer, okay? So I had a regular blow dryer, been using a ceramic blow dryer, which is supposed to dry your hair a little quicker. Again, I haven't noticed it being any quicker as far as the drying. Seems to dry at the normal amount of time, okay? So I will say that, but it does seem softer after I dry it. So that's a good thing. Again, ceramic, it heats from the inside out, thus leaving more moisture in the strands, so your strands do not feel dry. So with that being said, I can testify to that, okay? My hair does seem a little softer, just a little, not overly, you know, not anything where it's just, you know, but it does seem a little softer. So I'm going to stick with the ceramic. Like I said, I'm enjoying that. So that's still holding up for me as far as the blow dryer. I will say one thing, that I'm kind of missing the Banditerre. If you guys remember, that's the serum that I use as a finishing serum. They have since changed the formula. Yes, we all know how I feel about companies changing their formulas. They always seem to do it, you know, right when you fall in love with the initial product, then they want to change it up on you. Anyway, the Banditerre, they do have an updated version of it that includes argan oil and manoi oil. And I'm kind of scared, you know, I'm just a little scared to try it because I'm very careful with oils in my hair because my hair doesn't need a lot of oils. I do have products with argan oil in it, and it seems to be fine with that. And I'm just a little scared, a little hesitant to use it. Plus, I'm used to the older version, so I didn't want to just run out and use the newer version. And I guess also maybe as a protest, you know, because I'm a little, you know, upset that they even discontinued the first one. Why not have 2 versions? You know, why not have the original and hey, here's the newer version? No, they didn't do it that way. I mean, what do I know? I'm not okay. But anyway, I'm back. Anyway, so and for all those who don't know, Banditerre, it's a company that makes hair products. They make shampoos, and I used to use their serum. I use their serum. It came with a light blue cap. Now it comes with a brown cap because it's the newer version. But it was very light, a very light serum that I would use in conjunction with the Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum. So I take a pump of the Paul Mitchell, and then I would do like 5 drops of the Band de Terre. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I would mix it up in my hand and just finish. You know, just run my hands through my hair, my fingers through my hair, and make sure I get that glossy finish without a whole lot of heaviness to it. So I love the Paul Mitchell, you know, and I just like to add the Band de Terre. It just seemed like the perfect complement to each other as far as serums, and just give me the zhuzh that I want. So anyway, I'm kind of missing it. You know that I'm using the Theorie Argan Oil hair serum, which I do like, but it's just something about when you get familiar with, I'm just kind of missing it. You know what I mean? This is doing me well so far. I haven't had any issues. It's not heavy or anything like that. It's pretty light, but it's about to run out. Okay. And this is just the travel size. Okay. It comes in a bigger size. And anyway, this is the travel size, and it's about to run out. So I'm just wondering, do I want to re-up on this, or do I want to try the new Band de Terre? Oh, how I miss you, Band de Terre. I just remember us being such a happy pair. Why did you have to change? Why? Okay, so enough of that sadness, okay? We're going to get over it. We're going to keep on marching, keep on moving on, okay? That's enough of pity partying, okay? Because we got some real partying to do. And we're going to get to the party, the real party, okay? The hair party, okay? So we know what we're all here for. We're already caught up with the products. Like I said, it wasn't too much of an update. So we all know what is about to come next, honey. Drum roll, please. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to show you what I'm working with, okay? From what I can tell, from what I can see, everything is still moving smoothly. And I'm wearing the same equipment, okay? And anybody who doesn't know what I'm referencing, you can look at the other video. I'll have it posted below as far as my other update and what I was going to do. You'll know what equipment means. Equipment, okay? So I'm wearing that. So enough chitter chatter, and let's just get to the matter at hand, okay? I'm going to show you, and we're going to come back and put a button on it and wrap this up, okay? So let's see what we're working with. Okay, guys, so I think everything is looking very good. Okay, very good. I'm pleased with the way that it feels. I'm pleased with the way that it looks. The middle is still holding up. And again, I always check that middle because I believe the middle grows a little slower. And plus I've had issues with the middle as far as it not being as long as the sides, but I've been keeping everything trimmed, and I really didn't have to do too much as far as trimming. I just had to do a dusting. And you know that I like to trim my hair, not only to keep the split ends at bay, but also to maintain my style, okay? Maintain the look of the ends and, you know, my little page boy or whatever you want to call it, you know, maintain my bangs, make sure I get the fullness and at least the look of whatever little style I got. That's what I do, okay, the maintenance. So I'm very pleased, very satisfied with that. Looking forward to going even further as far as the length. And yeah, I'm wearing the same equipment. Okay, so you know my goal is to get past bra strap length, and we are slowly but surely reaching bra strap. Okay, so we're hovering, you know, we're almost there. We're not quite there. I'm not in a race. I'm not in a rush. Okay, I'm enjoying the process, and yeah, just taking notes along the way, but so far so good. Not that I'm anticipating anything other than that, okay? So we're just going to stay positive and everything's going to be fine, okay? So for all those who want to check in, this is roll call, honey. This is roll call, okay? You know what we do around here. Anybody who wants to check in, there's no pressure. Ain't no pressure. There's no pressure. Ain't nobody looking at each other and pointing fingers. But if you want to check in, please do so down below. Let us know how you are doing in your regimen, okay? Do you have the products, okay? Because you know we're building a regimen. That's the series that we're working on right now. We're about to, you know, put a button on it pretty soon, okay? But for those who want to check in as far as length, as far as health, as far as the products that you're using, whether they're new or old, maybe some old ones that you had to toss away so you can get back into the whole, you know, flow of things, then let us all know down below. We share around here, okay? We encourage each other around here, and I'd love to hear what's going on with you. I checked in, so if you want to check in, then check in, okay? Check in, let us know. Other than that, that wasn't too bad, right? We were in and out, okay? So thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff. Like I said, we're going to finish the regimen building, and we got some other goodies on the way. And when I say goodies, that's what I mean. It's going to be good for us in our hair, okay? We're going to do some little chit chats and whatevers and yada yada yadas. So you gotta come back for that. So you already know. It's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on